to duties of professionally qualified nurses. Topic 21, contributing to research. Another important duty of professionally qualified nurses is contributing to nursing research. Nurses are on the front lines of the of patient care and are uniquely positioned to identify research questions and generate knowledge to improve patient outcomes. For example, a nurse may conduct a duty to evaluate the effectiveness of a new medications or interventions of improving patients' outcomes. They may also collaborate with interdisciplinary teams to conduct research on healthcare policies or healthcare delivery models. Topic 22, leading and managing healthcare terms. Professionally qualified nurses may also take on leadership and management roles within healthcare teams. This involves overseeing the work of another nurses and healthcare professionally, delegating tasks and ensuring that care is delivered in a safe and effective manner. For example, a nurse manager may oversee a team of nurses in a hospital unit, ensuring that all patients receiving high quality care and that resources are used efficiently. They may also collaborate with the other healthcare professionals such as physicians, pharmacists and social workers to develop and implement care plans. Topic 23, using information and communication technologies. In today's digital age, professionally qualified nurses are expected to be proficient in using information and communicational technologies to enhance patients' care and improve healthcare outcomes. This involves using electronic health records, telehealth, mobile health, and other technologies to facilitate communication, data sharing, and care coordination. For example, a nurse may use a telehealth platform to provide virtual consultations to patients in remote areas or to monitor patients with chronic conditions. They may also use mobile health applications to provide patients with health education and track their health behaviors. In conclusion, the duties of professionally qualified nurses are extensive and ever evolving, reflecting the complex and dynamic nature of the healthcare field. Nurses are valued valued members of the healthcare team, playing a critical role in providing health quality patient care, conducting research, advocating for patients, managing resources, providing emotional support, collaborating with interdisciplinary teams, providing health education, ensuring patient safety, adapting to changing healthcare environments, maintaining ethical standards, promoting quality improvement, advocating for social justice, engaging in lifelong learning, contributing to research, leading and managing healthcare teams, and using information and communicational technologies through their dedication and expertise. Nurses make a significant contribution to health and well-being of individuals' communities. Topic 24, promoting health wares and wellness. Professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to promote health and wellness among patients and communities. This involves providing health education, preventing care, and lifestyle counseling to help individuals achieve and maintain optimal health. For example, a nurse may provide education on healthy eating, exercise, and stress management to prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension. They may also provide counseling on smoking cessations or substances abuse to improve overall health and well-being. Topic 25, providing palliative and end of life care. Finally, professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to provide palliative and end of life care to patients and their families. This involves managing symptoms, providing emotional support, and ensuring that patients are comfortable and receiving dignified care in their final days. For example, a nurse may work in a hospice or palliative care setting, providing pain management, emotional support, and spiritual care to patients and their families. They may also provide guidance on advanced care planning, helping patients and families make decisions about end of life care. In conclusion, the duties of professionally qualified nurse are multi-phased and require a broad range of knowledge, skills, and competencies. Nurses play a critical role in promoting health and wellness, providing health quality are advocating, providing health education and ensuring patient safety, adapting to changing health care environments, maintaining ethical standards, promoting equality improvement, advocating for social justice, engaging in lifelong learning, contributing to research, leading and managing healthcare teams using information and communication technologies, and providing palliative end of life care through their dedications and commitment to the nursing profession. And nurses make a significant impact on the lives of their patients and communities. Topic 26: Collaborating with communities. Another important duty of professionally qualified nurse is collaborating with communities to improve health outcomes. Nurses have a unique perspective on the human health needs of their communities and can help to identify and address health disparities and social determinants of health. For example, a nurse may work with community organizations to provide health education, screenings, and preventive care to underdeserved populations. They may also participate in public health initiatives to promote health behaviors and reduce the incidence of chronic disease. Topic 27: Fostering interprofessional collaborations. In addition to collaborating with communities, professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to foster interprofessional collaboration with healthcare teams. This involves working closely with other healthcare professionals, such as physicians, pharmacists, social workers, and social therapists to provide high quality coordinative care. For example, a nurse may collaborate with physical therapist to develop a plan of care for a patient recovering from surgery. They may also work with a pharmacist to ensure that patients' medications are safe and effective and do not interact with other medications. Topic 28: Advocating for policy and social change. Finally, professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to advocate for policies and social change to improve health outcomes and promote social justice. Nurses have a unique perspective on the healthcare system and can use their knowledge and expertise to advocate for policies in initiative and that improve patient care and reduce health disparities. For example, a nurse may advocate for policies they improve access to healthcare for underdeserved populations or a support funding for nursing education and research. They may also work with community organizations to advocate for social justice and address social determinants of health such as poverty and discrimination. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are diverse and reflect the complex and dynamic nature of the health and field. Nursing play a vital role in promoting health and wellness, providing high quality care, collaborating with communities and interdisciplinary teams, advocating for policy and social change, and ensuring that patients' care is delivered with compassion, respect, and dignity. Through their expertise and commitment to the nursing profession, nurses make a significant impact on the health and well-being of individuals and communities. Topic 29: Maintaining professionally boundaries. Professionally qualified nurses have a duty to maintain personally boundaries with their patients, families, and colleagues. This involves establishing clear boundaries and maintaining appropriate relationships with those they serve. For example, a nurse should not engage in romantic or sexual relationship with patients or their family members, as this can compromise their professional judgment and create technical dilemmas. Similarly, nurses should avoid becoming too emotionally involved with their patients and should maintain a professional distance to ensure that they can provide objective and effective care. Topic 30: Demonstrating culture competencies. Finally, professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to demonstrate cultural competencies in their practice. This involves understanding and respecting the cultural beliefs, values, and practices of patients and their families and providing care that is sensitive to their cultural needs. For example, a nurse may provide care to patients from diverse cultural backgrounds and should be aware of the impact that culture can have on health beliefs and practices. They may also work with interpreters or language service to ensure that patients receive care that is culturally appropriate In conclusion, the duties of professionally qualified nurse and extensive and require a wide range of knowledge, skills, and competencies. Nurses play a critical role in promoting health and wellness, providing high quality care, collaborating with communities and interdisciplinary teams, advocating for policy and social change, maintaining professional boundaries, demonstrating cultural competencies, and ensuring that patient care is delivered with compassion, respect, and dignity. Third, their dedications and commitment to the nursing profession. Nurses make a significant impact on the lives of their patients and communities.